Welcome to our video on lifestyle changes to support a healthy blood sugar level. In this video, we will provide you with some valuable tips and insights on how you can make simple yet effective changes to your daily routine to maintain a balanced blood sugar level. So let's get started. One of the most important lifestyle changes to support a healthy blood sugar level is maintaining a balanced diet. Incorporate more whole grains, fruits, vegetables, and lean proteins into your meals. Avoid processed foods and sugary drinks as they can spike your blood sugar levels. Remember to portion control your meals and eat at regular intervals to manage your blood sugar effectively. Physical activity plays a crucial role in managing blood sugar levels. Engage in regular exercises like brisk walking, jogging, cycling, or any other activity you enjoy. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate intensity exercise per day. Physical activity helps your body utilize glucose effectively and improves insulin sensitivity. Chronic stress can affect your blood sugar levels negatively. Find effective stress reduction techniques such as meditation, deep breathing exercises, yoga, or engaging in hobbies you enjoy. These activities can help lower your stress levels and promote a healthier blood sugar balance. Getting enough quality sleep is essential for maintaining a healthy blood sugar level. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of uninterrupted sleep every night. Lack of sleep can disrupt your hormonal balance and lead to insulin resistance. Create a relaxing bedtime routine and ensure your sleeping environment is comfortable and conducive to sleep. Another important aspect of managing blood sugar levels is regularly monitoring your levels. Use a blood glucose meter or continuous glucose monitoring system as advised by your healthcare provider. This will help you understand how your lifestyle changes are impacting your blood sugar levels and allow you to make necessary adjustments. By making these simple lifestyle changes such as adopting a healthy diet, engaging in regular physical activity, reducing stress, getting enough sleep, and monitoring your blood sugar levels, you can proactively support a healthy blood sugar balance. Remember to consult with your healthcare provider for personalized guidance and continue on your journey towards a healthier you.